For close round 20, after this last loop, we make a double crochet into last single crochet we have here, one double crochet here, and a slip stitch into very first double crochet, top of very first double crochet. Round 20 is finished right now. Round 21, chain 1. We want to work in this double crochet. We have 3 double crochet in every loop. For every loop we want to work only 2 of this double crochet. So 1 single crochet, another single crochet. Every loop has 2 single crochet. We just work on top of these 2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 and 2. After 10 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we should make 3 single crochet into next. One, 2, 3. So after every 10 single crochet we make 3 single crochet. Again 10 single crochet, then 3 single crochet. 1, 2, next loop we make 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, after this 3 we have 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Now you make 3, 1, 2, 3. We continue until we finish this round, and I come back. Round 21, after last 3 single crochet, we want to make a slip stitch into very first single crochet, and round 21 is finished right now. You have to count your single crochet, and you should have 156 single crochet into this round. Round 22, make chain 1, a single crochet into same place. You have to make single crochet in every single crochet, and you should have 156 after this round. Single crochet in every single crochet. I come back here